Today, I'm going to teach you how to lock columns in Smartsheet. This is a really useful feature when you want to prevent certain data from being accidentally edited or moved, especially when you're working with important information or collaborating with a team. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Smartsheet homepage where all your projects and sheets are organized. Now that you're on the homepage, take a moment to browse through your existing files and sheets. Look for the specific sheet where you want to lock columns. This could be a project tracker, a budget spreadsheet, or any sheet where you need to protect certain columns from changes. Once you've located the right sheet, click on it to open it. After the sheet loads, you'll see all your columns displayed across the top. Here's where you decide which columns need to be locked. You have the flexibility to select either a single column or multiple columns depending on your needs. If you're locking just one column, simply click on the column header. If you need to lock multiple columns, hold down your mouse button and drag across the column headers, or use Control-click to select non-adjacent columns. The columns you select will be highlighted, making it clear which ones you're about to lock. Once you've highlighted your preferred columns, the next step is straightforward. Right-click on any of the highlighted column headers. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Lock Column. This action immediately locks the selected columns, preventing any changes to the data within them unless you decide to unlock them later. If you ever need to unlock these columns, perhaps to make updates or edits, you can simply repeat this process. Just right-click on the locked column header again, and you'll see the option to unlock column. It's that simple and gives you complete control over which parts of your sheet can be edited. And there you have it, you've successfully locked columns in Smartsheet, giving you better control over your data security and preventing accidental changes to critical information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.